Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials: your personal Facebook login, a business name, email, phone, and website. Once ready, go to Business. Facebook.com and click Create Account. You enter your business name and business email. Make sure you set your personal profile as the initial admin so you control settings and permissions. Enable two-factor authentication on your personal account now. This prevents lockouts and secures access. Once done, you'll be positioned to add assets and people in the next steps. Now you add business assets, pages, ad accounts, and Instagram accounts under Settings and Accounts. Click Add and either claim existing assets or request access. Claiming gives full control, requesting asks the owner. Next, invite team members by email and assign appropriate roles: admin for full control, editor to post and manage, analyst for reporting. Make business asset groups to bundle assets by client or project. This simplifies permissions and billing. Once assigned, double-check access using the Finish by completing business info, legal name, address, and tax ID. Upload verification docs if Facebook requests them. Then add a payment method, set billing thresholds, and establish spend limits for ad accounts so costs stay predictable. Make sure notification and security settings are active, and assign backup admins to avoid single points of failure. If problems occur, confirm you're listed as the asset owner, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or use the Business Help Center. These steps fix most access and verification issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.